how to buy the SEN SENTio protocol token. Now, as you can see, so before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional accounting expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to take a look on the X account. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to CoinMarketCap and open it there. Now, go to contract, as you can see from here, or contractors. Now, copy the token address. As you can see, this token is under Ethereum network. Now, go and open your Bitget wallet, as you can see. And now select here the Ethereum as a network. Now click on plus and paste the token address, as you can see. Now this is our token, just click on it to be able to add it to your wallet. Now just go back to your wallet, as you can see. Now scroll down, you will find it. As you can see, this is our token, click on it. Now click on sort to be able to buy it and click on switch from here. Now here select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. So make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet. Now here enter how much you want to buy. So wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. Just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy this SEN SENTio protocol. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.